Welcome to our mathematics class. Very quickly, let's take a question on the systems of equation using either elimination or substitution. Let's say that we have this equation x plus 3y, and this is equals to 1, and then the second equation is negative 3x minus 3y. This is equals to negative 15. Let's go by elimination, and we will still try to solve this using substitution. If we go by elimination, we can actually add these two. To do this, it will be positive 1 plus negative 3. This will give us negative 2x. This is equals to 0, and this will give us negative 14. Negative 14 actually. So that is negative 14. So divide both sides by 2, negative 2 by negative 2. Our x is nothing but 7. Our x is nothing but 7. Now we can substitute this value of x to any of the equation. Let's say equation 1. If you do that, our x is 7 plus 3y. This is equals to 1. So 3y is nothing but 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7. 3y is equals to negative 6 divided by 3 by 3. Y is negative 2. And this is how you can solve this type of question using elimination. Let's see how we can solve the same equation using substitution. To solve the equation using substitution, what we have, our question is x plus 3y. This was equals to 1, and then we have negative 3x minus 3y. This is equals to negative 15. By substitution, we need to call this our equation 1, and this is our equation 2. Since this is our equation 2, we want to use substitution. To avoid fractions, let's take equation 2. This means that equation 2 becomes negative 3y is equals to negative 15 plus 3x. Just take this 3. Take this 3 to the other side. So this means that what we are going to have here, if you divide by 3, negative 3, negative 3, and then divide by negative 3. So our y is going to be 5x. Our y is going to be 5 minus x. This is our y, 5 minus x. Now call this equation 3 and take this equation 3 and substitute in equation 1 in the original equation. So what we are going to have right now is going to be x plus 3. Our y becomes 5 minus x, and this is equals to 1. Open up this bracket, x plus 15. This becomes minus 3x is equals to 1. So x minus 3 is going to give us so that is going to be minus 2x. Minus 2x is equals to 1. Take this 15 the other side, it is minus 15. Sorry, that is minus 15. Minus 15. So what we are going to have is negative 2x is nothing but negative 14. Negative 14. So our x is going to be, if you divide both sides by negative 2, by negative 2, let's make it more clear. Divide both sides by negative 2, negative 2. So our x is going to be positive 7. Our x is going to be So if you observe from what we have above, you will notice that when we solve using the substitution, we have our x value to be 7 and y value also to be our y value. We got -2, which is the same thing we have in using elimination. So whether you use elimination or substitution, the idea is for you to be able to get the same solution, because now that you have x, you can go ahead and substitute this in any of this equation, and then you will get -2 if you do that. Let me just finish it up. Take it and substitute. Let's say in equation 1 we have x plus 3 y, which is equals to 1. Our x becomes 7 plus 3y is equals to 1. So 3y is nothing but 1 minus 7. Y is going to be -6. When you divide by 3, y is going to give you -2, which is what we have here, -2. So we can use both elimination and substitution to solve any kind of equation that we are given. Let's take one